Hello guys, so today we are solving this problem rank transform of an array. So given an array of integer n, replace each element with its rank. Okay, and the rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following range. So rank is an integer starting from 1. The element, the larger would be the rank. Okay, so if two elements are equal, their rank must be same. And rank should be as small as possible, means we have to start from 1 and monotonically we have to increase whenever we are seeing any greater number. So this is what we have to do. So for example, you can take this one. So see here, this 40 is the largest one, right, out of these four elements. So 40 got highest rank, that is starting from 1 till 4. So 4 is for rank awarded for 40. 10 is smallest, so it has rank 1. And 20 is the second smallest, and it has 2 and 30. So on, this is what we have to do. But take an example of here that all are same, 100, 100, 100. Then rank also should be same. So this is what we have to do. So let me tell you what would be my approach here. So you can see, consider this is our array, okay, with same the one which is given in the example as well. So for example, we want to solve for it. So we will use priority queue. So basically the priority queue would be store the object of one class. So I'm creating one dummy class, not dummy class, one class. So its name would be like value index. Okay, so that value index is basically having the value, okay, and the corresponding index in this array. So see here, a class would be looks like this. Okay, so this utility class, what I will do is I will create a priority queue. Okay, and this priority queue would be storing the object of this class val index. Okay, so in this priority queue, what we will do is we will sort it based upon the first value. Okay, this val. So let's say we want to create our priority queue, then priority queue would be storing the value object like this. So it would be something like this. So suppose this is our priority queue, so we will start from here. So at index 0, this is 40, right? So we will put this value. So this will go something like this, 40 and the comma 0, right? This is what our object has. This class has the value and the corresponding index. So that is why we are taking the value and corresponding index. So then we will come to this point. So this is value 10 and it is residing at index 1. So 10 and 1 would be coming here. Internally priority queue works like that, right? Because we are sorting based upon the first value, and the smallest value would become here. We will write our constructor in such a way. So this will come here, then we are coming here. So this guy would be 20 and 2. So this will come like this, 20 comma 2. Okay, so this will come like this, and finally the 30 and 3 would be coming like this, because this is third guy in our priority queue. So yeah, 30 and 3. So this is how we would be storing the priority queue. Now what we will do, we would have two variables, the rank and the previous value. Okay, so initially I am initializing the rank equal to 0 and previous equal to min. Okay, now see here, first of all we will pop out the element from the priority queue. So this is 10 and 1. Okay, so we will check whether this previous is greater than this current value. Let's say we are calling it 10. Okay, so this temp would be having 10 and 1. Okay, so we will check whether this value residing in this temp is greater than or not this previous. So as we have initialized this with the minimum value, so 10 is basically greater than this previous, right? So what we will do is rank, we will increase rank by 1. So this will become 1. Okay, and we will replace this value at index 1. Okay, so at index 1 we will go in this array. So index 1, what is there? Index 1, it is 10. So we will remove this 10 and put this rank there. Okay, so I have removed the 10 and I am putting here 1. Okay, now we will go to the next pointer. So now previous would be become this value. So previous value become now 10. Okay, now we are coming to here, we are popping out this guy. So this is 20. So is it greater than previous? Yes, it is greater than previous. So if it is greater than previous, then we have to increase the rank. So 1 plus 1, the rank will become 2 now. So we will go here. So what is the index here? Index is 2 at this location. So we will go to index 2. this is our index 2, and we will make the rank here too. Okay, so I updated rank here. Now we are coming to here, we are popping out this guy. So this is 30 and residing at index 3. So is it, yeah, so our previous would become, in this case, after moving here, our previous would become 20, right? Yeah. So now we are popping out this guy, third one, 30 and 3. So is it greater than previous? Yes, 30 is greater than previous. So then we can increase the rank. So rank would become now 3. Okay, so we will go to the index 3. Okay, at index 3 we have to make the rank equal to 3. So I am removing this 30 and putting the 3 rank over there. Okay, so I have made this rank as equal to 3. Okay, now we are popping out this guy, final guy. So our previous now become here 30, right? So now we are at here. So this is 40 and 0. Is this guy greater than 30 previous? Yes, it is greater than 30. So if it is greater than, we have to increase the rank by 1. So now new rank would become 4. Now we will go to index 0 and replace the rank 4 there. Okay, so we will go to 0. What is there? It is 40. So we have to remove this 40 and we have to put the rank over here. That rank would be 4. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now we can add some more scenario here in the same question itself. It would be great to add that. So let's say there were 2 more values in this array. So I'm adding 2 more values, 50 and 50. Okay, so I'm adding 50 here and also I'm adding another 50 here. Okay, now we will check what will happen. So in this case our priority queue would have 2 more values, right? So let me update. In our priority queue would be also residing like this. So this would be 50 and the index would be 4, right? 50 and 4, and one more value is 50 and 5, right? These 2 more values would be there. So 50 and 5. Now see, so far we are done, right? So we will come to this point. We are popping it out. So this is 50, which is greater than, yeah. So our previous value this time would have become in the last step it was 40, right? Now we will go to the next pop. So this is our next pop, right? So this is 50 and index is 4. So is this guy, the 50 is greater than previous? Yes, it is greater than previous. That means we have to increase the rank. So we will make this rank equal to 5. Now at this index is 4 here. So at the index 4 we have to replace the value with value this rank. So this place I have to rank 5 rank. So I have made rank here 5, and what would be the now previous value? Now previous value become here 50. Okay, now finally we are coming to the last point. So is this value is greater than previous value? No, it is not greater. It is 50 only. So they both are equal. That means in that case we don't have to increase the rank. So rank would be still 5. Now what we have to do? We will go to this index 5 and would replace this with rank 5. Okay, so this is our index 5. So we will remove this 50, and instead of 50 we would have to write the rank equal to 5. So see here I have written rank 5. Now you guys can see that these 2 values which were same, we have put the same rank for them. So this would be our final answer. So we have put the corresponding rank of every value at their indexes. So this is what we have to do. Now let me show you how I have done in my code. So you can see here, this is the custom class that I created with value int val and index. Okay, and now this is my priority queue. See here, I am storing the value index, the object of this class here. So priority queue value index equal to new priority queue, and see here I am sorting it based upon the value. So I am making the a.val minus b.val here in our priority queue constructor. Okay, now what I am doing here, see, I am traversing through this array, and I'm creating the value index object and adding them into the priority queue. So this is the value I, and I is the corresponding index. Now see here, this is our rank variable which is starting with the 0, and previous I have initially started with the minimum value. Okay, now we will go to our value. So you can see here, so while our priority queue is not empty, we are popping out the values from it. So I have popped out the value here. Now I'm checking that if temp.value the one which we have popped out is greater than or not previous. So as we have initially initialized with the minimum value, so initial it would definitely greater than this value. So I'm increasing the rank plus plus, and then what I'm doing, I'm just replacing that at this index, temp dot index equal to whatever rank we have, and then I'm updating this previous equal to temp dot val, so that next time we would be using these values. And finally I'm returning this array, just like we doing all those things, right? First we were checking, we were popping out the things, then we were checking whether this guy is greater than the previous value, and then we were increasing the rank, and finally we would be replacing the rank value at the corresponding index. So this is what I have done here. So let me execute my code. I'm executing the code, so let me submit it. Yeah, so my code is accepted. So basically the time complexity here we are taking the n log n, because internally PriorityQueue takes the n log n. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.